horrible. And it's literally a flash flood.
This has like never happened in this area. Wow.
We don't even know where the road is. Maybe be driving on people's mailboxes or something. Get a little closer, dude. Oh my god.
And it's this dark, and it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, which is usually the part where the sun is highest in the sky.
Could you imagine if it was dark at night and somebody was driving on that?
See this a little bit better. I can't wait to see our street.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's fast water right there. Like a river. Well, it's raining we need it though.
Yeah, but if it's flooding like this, it won't stay. It'll run off.
Oh, there goes Lake Robinson up there.
Hey, but look at they fixed this street now. It's
Yeah.
working right.
God, it looks like we have canals on the side of our roads. There's Lake Robinson. It's like literally a lake. Oh my god, and right here too. This part never happens. People's trash is all over the floor. I mean, street.
Oh my god.
Whoa, this has never happened. This is deep water.
Oh shoot. I hope I can find our driveway.
Oh my gosh. This is deep water right here too. Like, what? Oh, I see our driveway.
Look at our yard.
Yep. That's a lake. Our yard is a lake.
Hope our tree doesn't float away.
Oh my god, it looks so